I am Stuart Winfield. I am the IT Network Manager at St Edmund's College in Hertfordshire. St Edmund's College is set in 440 acres of Hertfordshire countryside. We are England's oldest Catholic school and provide an all-round co-education to around 800 UK and international students aged 3 to 18 years. St Edmund's College is a large campus with lots of buildings. The number of computers were increasing to an extent that the college power supply was beginning to overload. When this would happen, students would sometimes lose their work. In addition, the number of applications and servers that we were now running meant that the amount of storage that we required was also increasing. The number of computers at the school rose to about 580, and the management of these PCs was getting more and more demanding. As we're also a boarding school, the machines are in use inside the college in the evenings and at weekends, and being able to perform routine maintenance was more and more difficult. Both students and staff were starting to bring in their own mobile devices, both mobile phones and tablets, and wanted to start using them in lessons. This brought about an issue with how we can connect those devices and how we can get them to access our network and resources. We started working with VMware, an IT solutions provider, who recommended we look at using VMware vSphere to virtualize our server infrastructure. We took that on board and they came in and implemented the solution for us. This allowed us to dramatically reduce our number of servers and reduce our power consumption levels. This network was also then resilient and redundant and provided a much better, reliable network. Following the success of our server virtualization project, we started looking at our desktops and wanted to improve them and enable students to access them from outside the college. We implemented the VMware View software, which enabled us to virtualize over 90% of our desktops and enable students to access these machines from home. Since implementing VMware View, the college has been able to launch its Bring Your Own Device policy. Both staff and students are starting to bring in their iPads and Android tablets and mobile phones and are linking them up to the school system during lessons to help further their schoolwork and classwork, and this has also been done in day houses, boarding houses and from home. Since the implementation of our desktop and server virtualization project, the college has experienced a massive power saving. We're expecting to save around £25,000 over the next 8 years. This is mainly due to the fact that our new virtual machines use around 80% less power than their PC predecessors. Additionally, because they have less heat output, we no longer require air conditioning in most of our rooms. We're also expecting to save around £63,000 over the next 8 years due to the decreased power costs and due to the improved efficiency and reduced maintenance we have to perform on the new systems. VMware View allows us to centrally manage all of our new virtual machines from one place. We're able to deploy new applications within minutes across our entire network. During the implementation of the system, we were also able to migrate all of our desktops from Windows XP to Windows 7 within just a few hours. We've been able to dramatically decrease the amount of time spent on system maintenance. The new systems have a much longer life cycle and instead of lasting 4 years, it should last us up to 8 years.
Enormously excited by what's happening here with the virtual machines, bring your own devices, all sorts of advances that this program is bringing to the college. Having this sort of flexibility, having these sort of options really allows us to prepare our students for the world that is to come, the world that we hope they will be able to shape. Makes lessons more exciting, more engaging, so they're using the technology that they take for granted outside school, inside school as well. Allows them to be more efficient, more independent learners in school and also at home. They can access the network from home now in ways that, well, it's completely unthinkable of 5, 10 years ago. Environmentally, it's a great benefit to the college, allows us to make all sorts of savings on a practical level, but also do our bit to look after this wonderful world we're here to enjoy.